Hey everybody, Dr. Wenzel, Brentwood MD. Welcome to video 2 of a 3-part series on health multipliers for men. In the last video, we talked about strength training, its dramatic impact on the masculine journey, how it affects every area of your life. We are now moving into the second health multiplier for men, and that is testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. Testosterone optimization for a man, especially for a man 40 or older, it continues to increase in its significance. There are some men younger than 40 that it provides dramatic improvement, but certainly by the time a man reaches 40 years old, it starts to become very evident that testosterone therapy needs to be part of the overall strategy because of its dramatic impact on things that matter the most. Once again, performance, physical performance, whatever performance-based metric we are evaluating, all of them improve in an optimal testosterone environment. There is a sense of fire in the belly with optimal testosterone, where you are able to show up with a new energy, with a new level of focus, with a new level of perseverance or stick-to-itiveness or grit. There is a stamina that comes with optimal testosterone that we remember as young men, that we had in our early 20s and late teens, but we've lost it. That stamina, that recovery time is minimal. We can go back at it again and we can hit it. So physically, the performance absolutely improves by focusing on your testosterone therapy, and I don't know very many high-achieving men who aren't interested in performing better. This has got to be part of your strategy. The second area it's going to impact, again, is the mindset. The masculine brain is designed to be its peak optimal self bathed in testosterone. When we were young, we lacked wisdom and insight, but we had all of the clarity of thinking, creativity, ambition, tenacity. All of those things were there when we went for life. We had the energy for days, and we just believed we were going to find a way or make a way. But we lose that ability in a suboptimal testosterone environment as a man, especially over 40. We start to experience brain fog, a lack of crispness to our thinking, certainly a drop in creativity and resourcefulness. There is a drop overall in mood. There is a sense of apathy or indifference that starts to creep in a man's life, where you just become indifferent to things that you know you love and you know you're passionate. This is very, very critical to managing an optimal mindset, is to have a male brain in an environment where the testosterone hormone has been optimized to match that of when you were your best physical self in your early 20s. The last area, as with strength training, is metabolic disease. Testosterone therapy is critical in preventing and delaying metabolic disease, specifically through mechanisms of insulin sensitivity at the level of skeletal muscles. It is a hyperinsulin sensitizer and very, very important in reversing or combating or defending against developing insulin resistance or diabetes or metabolic syndrome. So I hope you can see how critically important this is in the journey. One of the things that I loved as I was kind of preparing these ideas to give to you, as I lay these health multipliers in and of themselves over each other, I start to see some overlap here. And when you combine an optimal strength training regimen in an optimized testosterone environment, what you do is you create an optimal infrastructure. And anybody who is building a business or building a home, if the foundation or the infrastructure is weak, I don't care what kind of drapes or paint you put on the wall. That's all surface. If you really have a serious ambition to live a powerful, strong, long, disease-free or disease-delayed life, you have got to make strength training and testosterone therapy a massive priority. And by focusing on just those two things, you can see the amount of impact you're making. And listen, I don't know any man over 40 who isn't interested in better performance, feeling better, more clarity, more energy, feeling stronger, more confidence. These are critical in a man's journey through health, especially after the age of about 40. I hope this has been useful for you. In the next video, I'm going to tie in the third health multiplier. We're going to discuss the relationship between testosterone replacement therapy in number 3 and strength training in number 3, and I'll reveal this center point, which is what we're targeting kind of as the holy grail goal for male health. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video.